Welcome back. The Feast of Sacred Heart of Jesus was celebrated with religious pomp and fervour at the Sacred Heart of Jesus Chapel at Ambajim in Fatoda on Sunday. Feast was celebrated after 9 days of novenas. After the Mass, a procession was held with the statue of Jesus Christ. Celebrating ability. This is something that didn't allow the spectators to blink their eyes. World-famous wheelchair artists displayed their ability at the best. They were performing at a program organized at Panji by Ability Unlimited Foundation in association with Disability Rights Association of Goa. Have a look.
Ability Unlimited Foundation is a revolution and evolution in the country. Only organization which started by me about 3 decades ago.
शाहू का शादू अली का दुलारा
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.